Question 2 offers us a ratio question. We've got 120, which is to be divided in the ratio of 3 to 5. And if you look at Rob's method, yes, it's clearly wrong. What you've got to think of is that this is the same as dividing the 120 into 8 compartments. So we've got to divide 120 by 8, and that is equal to 15. So each of these compartments, 3 on one side and 5 on the other, contain 15. So we've got 3 compartments on the left-hand side, all containing 15. So on the left-hand side, we've got 3 times 15. And on the right-hand side, we've got 5 times 15. 3 times 15 is 45. And 5 times 15 is 75. And that's your answer. Oh yes, one quick word. This is only worth 1 mark, and all the question was asking is to describe what Rob has done wrong. Well, what he should have done is divided the 120 by 8 and worked on from there.